Hey, what's going on, guys? Hope you guys are doing well. Happy Wednesday. A lot of volatility in the market today with the Fed making the decision on the interest rate hikes. So if you're trading, hope you navigated the markets well today. I wanted to make this quick video looking at the announcement and the distributions for the Yieldmax Group B ETFs. You can see that here on their X page. I made a little Excel spreadsheet as well that we'll take a look at. But some of the big hitters, PLTY, almost $3, MARO, $2.10, NVDY, 82.94 cents, JPMO. This seems to be, I was just looking at this data before starting this video. That seems pretty high for them. Not sure what happened with them this month. Normally they're around 30 cents per month. But yeah, that's significantly higher. FBY, 63 cents, LFGY, still pretty massive at 62.94, GDXY 59, dips 50, and so forth there. So if we hop over here to the spreadsheet that I made, so these are the three weekly pairs. So far year to date, these are the total return numbers. These are the price return numbers. So there's been a couple distributions so far for these two. So just kind of keep that in mind there. This was the current price as of yesterday, and then this was the distribution announcement amounts that were announced this morning. So I took those numbers and I kind of projected the yields over here. So let me actually make this a little bit smaller. Here we go. So you can see LFGY, based upon my calculation, is 66.92%. They are a weekly pair as well at 52 weeks. That's kind of how I've calculated. If that's way off, somebody let me know. I would like to kind of definitely back test the numbers here to see if I'm close to the actual numbers or not. Now, with that being said, disclaimer, make sure you do your own research and use these numbers as educational analysis only, because I have pretty much calculated them myself on my end, and there could be errors for sure. So YMAX 45.66, YMAC 52.44, NVDY, this is a pretty popular one. NVIDIA has been a lot of volatility. This is one we were definitely watching. So far, price return down 16.69% year to date. I think this is also the second distribution for the Group B funds. If we look, yeah, so they've already paid once back earlier this year in January. You can see. So this is the second payment for all of these funds here. So yeah, do with that as you will. So that kind of makes sense for some of the NAV erosion here for sure, at least for these, and that's probably something that I can come back in as well. If add the dividend so I can kind of see what the total rate of return is. Don't have that calculated right now for you. Apologize on that. Dips, the inverse of NVIDIA. It's actually up 1.7%, including the distribution that happened back the first week of January. But yeah, NVIDIA 52.14%, dips 51.25%. FBY, that seems to be a pretty good winner so far year to date. Just from a price return, including the distribution back in January, it is still up 5.78%, and its most recent distribution is projected, around 40.68% yield. GDXY 4.61%, BABO 6.63%, JPMO, this is another good one so far year to date at 7.87%. And this is one I was just talking about. Normally they pay around 30 cents, but it's almost 70 cents this month. So they must have, either traded really well, or yeah, I'm not really sure exactly what happened with this one. Maybe just JP Morgan. The direct underline is doing pretty well this year. Year to date, it's up 11%. So yeah, it's doing very well, I would say. MRNY not doing too hot, down 13% year to date. PLTY down 2.31%. Not too bad. MARO 3.56%. Okay, so here's the numbers, guys. Hope you got some value from this. Let me know if you're a shareholder of any of these Group B funds, and if you're happy with these distribution numbers that came out earlier this morning. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Also, let me know your thoughts. Curve ETFs, they are another fund manager that they announced just recently that they're going to be coming out with weekly staggered payments. So let me know your thoughts on that as well. If that's something that would be interesting and has gotten your attention to potentially leave Yieldmax or Defiance, Roundhill, some of the other fund managers, and kind of look at Curve as an alternative income play and looking at their set of ETFs. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Let me know down below. As always, please like and subscribe as well. That helps us out and helps us definitely grow and continue to reach a bigger audience with these types of videos. Also, if you have any other questions, feel free to leave them down below. We'll do my best to get back to all the questions left in the comment section down below. Cheers.